Hello friends, today we will discuss identification of vegetable crops, that is leguminaceae and leafy vegetables. First of all, pea. Botanical name of pea is Pisum sativum, family Leguminaceae, origin India, genus Pisum, species sativum. Chromosome number of pea is 14. Pollination type, it is a highly cross-pollinated crop. You can see the pods of pea and seeds of pea. Next crop is a cowpea. It is known as Vigna unguiculata, family Leguminaceae, origin Africa, and propagation seeds. Chromosome number of cowpea is 2n is equal to 22. Type of fruits, pod. Next one is Indian bean. Botanically, it is known as Lablab purpureus, family Leguminaceae, origin India, genus Lablab, species Purpureus. Chromosome number of Indian bean is 2n is equal to 22 or 24. Pollination type, it is a self pollination. You can see the seeds and pods of Indian bean. Next one is a French bean. Commonly it is known as French bean, synonymous snap bean, string bean, kidney bean, haricot bean, French bean. Botanical name of French bean is a Phaceolus vulgaris, family Leguminaceae, origin Central and South America, Central and South America. Genus Phaceolus and species vulgaris. Chromosome number of French bean is 2n is equal to 22. Pollination type, it is a self-pollinated crop. You can see the pods as well as seeds of French bean. Next one is a cluster bean. Botanically it is known as Simopsis tetragonaloba, family Leguminaceae, origin West Africa and India. Genus Simopsis, species tetragonaloba. Chromosome number is 2n is equal to 14. Pollination type, it is a self-pollinated crop. You can see the pods of cluster bean and seeds of cluster bean. Next crop is a spinach beet. Botanically it is known as Pitta vulgaris, variety bengalensis, family Chenopodiaceae, origin Indochina, genus Pitta, species vulgaris. Chromosome number 2n is equal to 18. Pollination type, it is a highly cross-pollinated crop. Next one is a spinach. Botanical name Spinacia oleracea, family Chenopodiaceae, origin Central Asia, genus Spinacia, species oleracea. Chromosome number is 2n is equal to 12. Pollination type, it is a cross-pollinated crop. You can see the picture of seeds of spinach and leaves of spinach. Next one is the lettuce. Botanical name Lectuga sativa, family Compositae, origin Mediterranean region, genus Lectuga and species Sativus. Chromosome number of lettuce is 2n is equal to 18. You can see the seeds of lettuce and plantation of lettuce. Next one is a Amaranthus. Amaranthus caudatus, it is the botanical name of Amaranthus, family Amaranthaceae, origin India, genus Amaranthus, species Caudatus. Chromosome number of Amaranthus is 32 or 34. You can see the seeds of Amaranthus and plants of Amaranthus. Thank you.